We were here to inspect the ongoing projects, which is the Greek Road Market reconstruction. You are aware that we did promise our people in town that all the roads in town will be fixed. But we had a very serious issue because of the Creek Road section of the town road. Because of not having adequate market to buy or to accommodate the traders, they extended into the road. And because of that, it became a serious issue for our construction work. So we decided that for us to deliver a better project that will impress our people, more especially in town, we must, as a matter of fact, embark on building a better and comfortable market for our people. And you are aware that we've been here once to check the activities of the contractor. Today, I'm here to see for myself the extent of work that is ongoing, and I feel very happy that they are doing a very good job. They just informed me that the market is divided into two sections, the section A and the section B and section C. The A is the one we just saw here, that they've already started from the ground. This B section is the other side, which they will start commence, while the C section is the one that they discovered that it was a borrow pit, and you can't build on top of borrow pits. So we had to do evacuation and filling. So I believe that once those things are done, the other part of the section of the market will also commence. They even assured me that the timeline I gave to them within now and January, that they're going to deliver the market fully for our people to use. I feel happy about it. These are things that forever will continue to speak the good governance that we stand for. Thank you.
So the design changed. When the architecture changed, the structure also changed from hard footing to rafting. So what we did was from that 6 meters, 5 millimeters, at the same time compacting until we got to where we are today. And so we are running the beams. When we concrete the beams and then the columns, then at the same time, simultaneously, we will be doing this. We'll start excavating this. Yes, sir. We may not go beyond this, but that is grass products so very large quantity. We're looking at almost 700 cells. Yes, good wet and dry. But we have more wet. The dominant activity will take place. Well, they've been very cooperative after your instructions. They've been very smooth. Going very far. Begin concrete. With confident phases, we'll be installing our pitching plants. Yes. Once we come out of the foundation, Let's go. Okay.